Hi my friends, today we model this part. You see, it is a nice part and I hope you'll enjoy to model this part. Here is the drawing. We try to create this model using a minimized number of actions. The first sketch uses this contour because we want to create this feature. Let's start. New standard millimeters IPT, new sketch, XY plane, and we draw a nice contour. A vertical, press the left button and go here. Down, press the left button of the mouse and go to the left. Again, press the left button. Now you know this procedure because we used it a lot. Press the left button and go somewhere here. Then press again the left button and go here. There is a missing tangent. This one, yes, tangent here. Then equal are these two, on the same horizontal, these two and these two respectively. Then I apply a first dimension and you will see something interesting, but let me place this line, end line, on the same horizontal with this. Now everything is fluid, but when I place a dimension, a very large dimension, and take care that this is not coincident with the center point, that large dimension is 500 minus 25. Both dimensions are in the drawing. Everything has disappeared, but at another scale we have that contour. Now I can make coincident this point with the center point. Of course I have to move this. This radius for this small arc is 120, while this is 590. This again, this point must be placed on the same vertical with this. Other dimensions are 180 is this, 300 40 is this. From this point to this line we have 100. This point is placed at a distance of 350 minus 25. Dimensions are in the drawing. And radius 30 here. That's all. We have a first sketch. Then we create here a rectangle with these dimensions 120 with 20. Oh, where to be placed? In the plane XZ. A new sketch. F5 to have the same view. This is the center point. I don't need to project this. Then a rectangle with that dimensions 12 tab 120. Then I place coincident this very midpoint with this very center point. I made a mistake. This is 20. Finish sketch. Wow. What is this? Well, we use sweep of this recognized closed area, unique closed area, about this curve. Okay. Very interesting. We don't need these two loops. To cut them, we use a plane based on XZ and this point. Then we apply split with this tool. This is the cutter, and we select this option to cut the loops. We hide this, and you see what we have here. Then we use again this plane to create a new sketch with this contour. Yes, dimensions are here, radius 70, radius 70, also here 70, 220, this distance of 570 minus 25, the center point is here, yes, and angle of 20, radius 50. The same plane XZ for a new sketch. Circle radius of 70, another one, they are equal with the same radius. Then we know that the center point is here, or F7 to see the center point here. We place on the same horizontal this point with the center point. We place on the same vertical the two circles, we draw a line, press the left button and you have a tangent, then go down to another tangent. On the same horizontal is this midpoint with this. Then other dimension, other entities, press the left button, go somewhere here, then pressed again and tangent to this, and we have to place tangent here. We draw a horizontal line between these 2 points as a construction. Then we apply mirror of these 3 entities about that new line. Good. Trim 1, 2, 3, 4. Then this is 5 degrees. This is 20 degrees. This is 220. This is 50. And we place this vertical at a distance of 25 millimeters from the center point. Then in the drawing is a distance between this and the center point. That dimension is 570 minus 25. That dimension is 570. We have a fully constrained sketch. Finish sketch, extrude the other direction on 25. Okay. Another feature is this one. Dimensions 300, 125 from the end and 5 millimeters depth. We use XY plane, new sketch, F7. We project this line and we create a rectangle 300 tab 5 millimeters, and this distance from here is 100. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical with cut all the way through the part. Yes, good. Now you see these 2 cylinders. The first one is 110 at 550 15 millimeters distance from this, and the diameter is 120, just like this dimension. We'll use this opportunity. We place a plane at 15. We use it to create a new sketch. Project this line. This line is the diameter of the circle without dimensions. Then extrude at 110. This direction, 110. Okay, I hide this plane and I place another one, the mid plane between this and this. You see why? Because I apply mirror of the last feature about this new plane. Okay, visibility. Then we have to create this wall with the thickness of 20, this one. We create the wall and then we create the cut. We use the same plane XY. F7, and we project some entities. This one, this one, this small other entity, this, and we draw a line here to be sure about the construction. We also draw closing lines to create a close contour. Finish sketch, extrude, symmetrical, 20. Okay. Yes, the wall is created. Next is this cut. You see 80, 80, 80, and 100 is this. We select this face, we project this arc, this upper line, this right line, and this bottom line. Then we apply offset of 80, offset of 80, another offset of 80, and another one of 100. We extend this twice, this at both ends, then trim this, and so on to keep the close contour here. Extrude with cut all the way. Okay, This cut has fillets, radius 50, and we also see here radius 30 as fillets. We select this edge, we apply 50, then also 50, also 50. Good. Then plus at 30 here, here, and last is this. Okay. Next are these three bosses. They are in a shape of slot. Dimensions of the slot are 45, radius 30. Then we'll create also slots for holes. Good. We use this face for a new sketch. F7, and we create a slot center to center, 45 and 30. We project this arc, and this arc to have centers. We place this point here. We copy this, then we go here to paste, then another here to paste. We place this in the center. I don't know here where is the center. I find it right here. We have a fully constrained sketch. We take a look at this dimension of 5 and we extrude 1, 2, 3 at 5. Okay. The slots for cut are placed with an offset of 30 minus 15, which means 15. Yes, I apply a new sketch here. I project this, and this, and I apply offset of 15 to each one of them. 15, 15, and 15. Finish sketch. Extrude this, and this with cut all the way through the part. Okay. We see here a thread and both cylinders. Dimension is trapezoidal 80 with a pitch of 4. We use the tool hole. You see isometric trapezoidal 80, 4 is the pitch, full depth. We only have to select the face and the center. other data are okay. Good. Now we see here undimensioned fillets are radius 8. There are a lot of fillets radius 8. I hope I don't miss any one of them. This is fillet 8. Also this, and this. But also here, here, and here. Yes. Good. Another 8 millimeters is here. Another here. Another here. Good. Plus also 8 to this contour and to this contour. This was missed by me. Now is okay. Also this was missed. Also this. Another one is this one, and oh, this is not good. Okay, let me see where is that problem. Here is. Double click. This is not good. 100. It must be 125. Double click. 125. Okay. And finish sketch. Now is okay. Now let's see what is the volume. Eye properties, physical, update, copy, close, drawing, double click, and the new value is this one. There is a small difference, but we know what we did here, so we use this new value. The material is still cast. The general aspect is still cast. We select some faces to be machined. I press the Shift key from the keyboard to select them one by one. Shift, pressed, Shift, and these two faces, they must be still polished. Then we apply visual style shaded and another lights. We can compare the two and we don't see any difference. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.